If you want to use memory card on a Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then unfortunately you will not be able to do so with the SIM tray from the phone. So if you remove the SIM tray from the phone, this is of course where you usually insert the microSD card to have the access to the additional storage. In this case, unfortunately, you will not be able to do so. You will not be able to insert the microSD card. It is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray, so there is just no way to use it. What you can do is you can use an additional tool, an accessory, that is, for example, the memory card reader. Now in my case I have huge memory card reader, there are smaller ones as well, but essentially you are looking for a memory card reader with micro SD card slot. So by doing so, if you have that tool, then you can just connect the micro SD card, you can just put it into the memory card reader, and then you can, of course, with the USB-C cable, you can connect it to the phone, and then you can access the storage. Now, of course, I know this is very inconvenient to use on a daily basis. No one really wants to walk around with such a thing connected to the phone all the time, and that is not really the point. The point is to have an option to use the micro SD card at all. So if you are in a situation where you want to access the micro SD card storage because you have something on there, or maybe you just want to transfer files, then of course this is one of the ways to do so, and you can consider purchasing that kind of tool, that little accessory, and then of course you can just connect it whenever you have to or whenever you need to use the additional storage. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.